Hello, my real estate people. So today I wanted to do, right now, because I've done about 3 videos already, but right now I wanted to just talk about talking on camera and give you some tips for that. So I have received a lot of compliments and questions on me talking on camera and being very comfortable and just asking, how do I do it? I would say the number one answer is probably the edits. Editing is like a magician in itself. But maybe this video, I'll show the full clip without the edits to kind of show you the behind the scenes. But in general, just talking on camera, there are some tips and tricks that you can use, but generally you just want to just be comfortable. You want to see, that's a part I would have edited out, but I'm gonna leave it so you guys can see like it's the whole picture. But just in general, talking on camera is something that is going to be a very step ahead of the game, ahead of the, it's good. It's a good thing. It's a good skill to have as being a realtor. Got it. So talking on camera is going to help you reach a whole array of audience that you don't need to physically be there, but you can still send your impression to them. You can still have a good first impression. You can still have a good update or communication, whether they're clients or you're prospecting or just advertising a property. In this day and age, social media is king. It's kind of becoming a standard of something you need to do as a real estate salesperson. So those who are really zoning in on it now are really gonna have a leg up versus other realtors who are not updating their market or their business with that technique. So I'm getting off topic. Back to talking on camera. What works for me is I'm just talking to myself, really. And I am in my own home, so I'm comfortable. I do need to film by myself because even if my husband is sitting there, like maybe my second or my third video, my husband I tried to use 2 cameras, so I had him there helping me man 1 camera while I looked at my iPhone, and it was a very awkward video and it didn't end up getting on my channel because I was awkward in it. So you just want to make sure you are in a good environment where you're comfortable and you're calm and you can think clearly. Like right now, it just started a torrential rain and it's kind of affected me because it's really hitting the window, so I hope you can't hear it. But you want to be in an environment where you don't have the dog barking. If you have kids, you know my videos and my daughter interrupting my videos. So I try and make fun of it, but ideally in a professional scene, you don't want to have kids interrupting you. If you're living with other people, you don't want them to have the TV too loud. So you just want to make sure you have a quiet, safe environment for you to be able to hear yourself, to be able to think about your thoughts clearly, and to be able to communicate your ideas or information you have to your audience. So I would say that's step 1, having a good environment. Step 2 is just your mentality. So you just have to picture you talking to yourself, really. It helps too if you can, do you hear the thunder? It helps too if you can see yourself in the camera, because then it's kind of like you're talking to a person, but the person is really yourself. So you're talking to yourself. But that helps. What else? So See, these are a lot of pauses that I would normally edit out, but I'm gonna leave it so you guys can see. So I'm not gonna make this video too long, but ideally have a good, safe, quiet environment. Be comfortable talking to yourself. Prepare ahead of time. Some people can just film videos on a whim and have the bullet points, and be good. Some other people just go on forever talking. I'm sorry if that's your perception of me. I don't like to do that. I like to get straight to the point, but sometimes I get nervous and I just rant on, which is exactly what I'm trying to avoid. But write things down. So for me, like whatever video I'm doing, I write down, you won't be able to see this, but I write down my notes. That's my notes. But whatever it is, I have, oh, actually no, this is what I do. That's actually my second set of notes. What I do is, I just have I have a list. Like this was from my last video of questions to ask brokerages. This video is what I have written down here, so not in my iPad, but just have a time, not a time frame, but a outline of what. Just have an outline of what points you want to make sure you hit before the video ends. I wonder if you guys can hear that. Ooh, I don't like thunder. So have a good, quiet atmosphere. Be calm and comfortable talking to yourself. Write things down beforehand. That's the prep. And have good equipment. You know, you don't need to have great, outstanding equipment. All my videos, except for one, I film on my iPhone. It's an iPhone XR. And then just recently, a month ago, I got this ring light to help when I'm not filming during the day. Normally, I like to film during natural light, but if I want to do a different background like this or something like that, and there's not so much natural light, then the ring light really helps. So depending on how far you are from the camera too may determine if you need a separate microphone. With me, I'm getting away from just using the built-in microphone of my phone. But later on, especially when I do real estate videos and talking about houses and showing homes and stuff like that, I'll have an external mic somehow, somewhere. But some people use microphones. There's a lot of technical equipment you can get. I think that'll come later down the line, or you can just hire someone once you're in a good position, hire someone who has all those equipment to do that for you. In any event, that's that. So have a good, safe, quiet environment. Be comfortable talking to yourself. Prepare your notes, what you want to talk about. Have lighting. And then be prepared for editing. Editing doesn't have to be all fancy. I use iMovie, which comes free with every Mac. So you can use that and just get used to it. I search YouTube videos how to edit on iMovie. So you can do things like that, watch different tutorials and such. I'm kind of talking about how to start a YouTube channel versus how to talk on camera. I'm sorry, guys. So those are my tips. Hopefully they're helpful for you. Oh, one thing that I do get, I'm doing this video because people ask me, oh, how do you do the videos, or how do you do it, or whatever form of the question it is. So that's basically how I do it. But one thing I always suggest to people, start filming yourself. So for people who want to work up to having a YouTube channel or having a better social media presence or filming videos of themselves showing houses and things like that, you gotta start from somewhere. So my suggestion would be maybe once every week, starting out once every week, just pick a day where you're just gonna film yourself talking on your phone camera. You can do like the selfie mode and look at yourself talking to your camera. Pick whatever topic you want, something you're comfortable with. You can talk about, I don't know, something in real estate from the course, or you can just name all the family members. No, not that. Don't name stuff. Just talk about something and explain something to yourself. So do that for at least, I'd say 2 to 3 minutes, maybe five minutes if you can. And just do that of yourself. You don't have to do all makeup and glam and dress up and everything, but just film yourself, or actually, sorry, yeah, do your makeup, get dressed, dress how you would want to appear in a video, either your clothing or your makeup or your hair, whatever it may be, and film the video of yourself talking to yourself for 2 to 3 minutes of a topic that interests you or you're comfortable with or you know a lot about, and just watch the video. Then you can start to get used to your own interactions on film, different quirks that you get. Like I say, hey guys a lot, or so in general, or I look up a lot, or I fiddle with, like, you'll just get to know, you'll get to see yourself from a different perspective and see things that you want to improve, that you want to change, that you want to emphasize, or things that you're not doing and you want to start doing. So this video is getting too long. Those are my suggestions. If you want more, I'll talk. I'll keep talking. Just comment below and let me know, or just go ahead and like the video right now, okay? Thanks guys for watching Tori and Realty, and have a wonderful day.